Kerala Forest Research Institute, bambusetum, serves as field gene bank for different bamboo species in India. Established in 1988 as a part of IDRC bamboo project, KFRI bambusetum is considered as one of the largest collection of its kind. Spanning over an area of 12 hectares, the bambusetum of KFRI at Velupadam of Thrissur district, Kerala, harbors around 68 species of bamboos brought from different parts of the world.
KFRI was established in 1975 and major research on bamboo commenced within a decade of its existence with the establishment of the bambusetum in Palappally, 17 kilometers from this KFRI main campus. So bambusetum is actually a collection or an assemblage of bamboo species planted in one place so that outside its natural habitat basically, so that it is easily visible to visitors and researchers alike to conduct their programs. So the bambusetum in KFRI was established in 1988-1995 period, and currently the bambusetum hosts nearly 50% of the total available bamboo species in India, that is 140 around. So it has been assiduously collected over a period of 20-30 years, and right now we have close to 70 species. Now bamboo, as you know, that has multifarious uses, right from cradle to coffin. The Inbar network of bamboo and rattan has classified or documented more than 10,000 uses of bamboo. And in the bambusetum, you have bamboos ranging from small shrubs to giant bamboo species which are almost 30 to 40 meter tall. So, and there are many intermediaries also in between. So basically the different species of bamboo can be grouped into 4 or 5 categories, like one category which is suitable for landscaping, or we call it ornamental species. That could be ranging from multiplex, then the yellow bamboo Schistostachys brachydactylum, Bambusa vulgaris is there, Bambusa vamin, Buddha bamboo is there. Then we have black bamboo, Atroviolacea species, Giganta clova, Atroviolacea. So like that, these come in the category of ornamentals.
Golden bamboo or sacred Bali bamboo is Schistostachys brachydactylum. This species is well known by the presence of golden yellow culms, which is very smooth to touch and beautiful to watch. This species is used in landscaping and it is very costly, as the saplings cost around rupees 500 to 2000 in nurseries.
Bambusa vamin is the Buddha's belly bamboo. It's an ornamental species which is widely grown in China. It is having a specific internodal structure, just like a shape of a pitcher. The young culms are green in color. As the culms mature, the greenish shade decreases. The culm sheath is hairy, commonly used as an ornamental species.
This is Bambusa multiplex, commonly known as hedge bamboo. It's a symbodal type of bamboo and reaching the height of 3 to 5 meters. Its culms are normally green color. At the time of maturity, it will turn to yellow. The main use of this bamboo species is weaving and mainly in landscaping.
This species is Giganta Atroviolacea. It is commonly called as black bamboo. This species is native to Indonesia. As you can see, this species is green when young, and at maturity it gets darker and finally black or violet in color. And as you can see, this is the culm sheath of Giganta Atroviolacea. The culm sheath proper, and this is the part culm sheath proper. It is broader, and this is the culm sheath blade. It is very narrow and short. This species is commonly used in ornamental purpose, that is for landscaping, and also it is used in furniture industry.
Bambusa vulgaris yellow. This species is commonly known as yellow bamboo. Its common location is in Kerala. It's a mid-sized bamboo species. Its yellow comes have green striations. The use of this species is ornamental and landscaping, and also its young shoots are edible. Bambusa vulgaris green, which is commonly known as green bamboo. Its common location is in homesteads in Tripura and other northeastern states. This bamboo species have a light green colored cum, and the main use of this species is construction, fencing, and also handicrafts.
A certain category known as industrially important bamboo species. The National Mission on Bamboo Application has listed around 20 species, 18 species rather, out of these 140 species, and most of them are found in the bambusetum. Mainly the common ones are Balcova, Polymorpha, Bambusa tulda, and these are the different types of bamboo, including the commonly available Bambusa bamboos and Dendrocalamus strictus, which you find all across India.
Bambusa balcuva, commonly called as Bilati Mula in Malayalam, is a very important, economically important species of bamboo. A superior variety of this bamboo has been developed by Gromor Biotech, which is called as Bhima bamboo, and it has been widely used throughout India. The main uses of Bambusa balcuva is in the agarbatti industry, and it is also used in making furnitures. The identifying feature for this species is the culm sheath. The culm sheath is triangular with dense black appressed hairs, and the culm sheath blade is pointed.
The Bambusa polymorpha, commonly known as Bengal bamboo, it is a closely packed and clumping species of bamboo, which is commonly seen in northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, and Meghalaya. The main use of this bamboo species is edible shoot, scaffoldings, and constructions, and also handicrafts.
Jati bamboo, Bambusa tulda, is an economically important bamboo species which is widely used for making agarbatti incense sticks in India, and it is widely cultivated due to its economic importance. This species is found extensively in northeast India and also in West Bengal, where they are cultivated and transported into southern part of India, where they are used for making incense sticks. In the emerging culm, the culm sheath are broad and fan shaped, which can be used as an identifying feature for this bamboo. This species is traditionally favoured for making agarbattis, basketry, and also for weaving. The species is generally seen along the water curves.
We also have certain bamboo species because of that particular nature of the bamboo. Bamboos are classified into monopodial, sympodial, and amphipodial. So we have monopodial species of bamboo, mainly Melocanna baxifera, which is commonly found in northeast in Mizoram, for example, which have, instead of rhizomes, they have runners. They are called walking bamboo, and you plant one come and it is all over the place. That's why it's called running bamboo, because its multiplication extends all over the place through its stolons.
So this is the clump of Melocanna baxifera, commonly known as Muli bamboo, and this is widely seen in northeast India, and this is the only monopodial bamboo, that is the running bamboo, which is widely seen in northeast India. And the speciality of this bamboo is that this bamboo has the largest fruit among in the bamboo kingdom, and it is widely used for making baskets, and it's used in paper and pulp industry, and it has a running nature, so the trenches has been taken so that its growth can be restricted. So as you know, culm sheath is the identifying character for bamboo. This is the culm sheath of Melocanna baxifera. This is glabrous without hairs on both sides, and the sheath blade is narrow and it is extended long.
And then we have an intermediary, amphipodial. Example is Guardo angustifolia, which is somewhere between an amphipodial and a monopodial.
The Guardo angustifolia, with its outstanding mechanical and physical properties and durability, it is called as vegetable steel. The species is native to South America and also grown in river banks. The sheath blade is not distinct from sheath proper and also densely haired. The main use of this species is scaffolding, building, and also paper and pulp.
Then you have the sympodial bamboo, which are basically rhizome, just like in ginger. We have the rhizome, so it is the clump-forming ones. So these are the different kinds of bamboo species that you find.
This is the clump of Dendrocalamus strictus, which is commonly called as Kallan Mula in Malayalam. It is also called as iron bamboo, then Calcutta bamboo, and it is due to its high strength properties, it is widely used in construction industries, and it is also used in making furniture. Now, the young shoot here, it is green in color and it has a powdery appearance. Then this culms of this bamboo are partially solid at the base, and as it reaches top, it is hollow. The culm sheath of this species is having dense blackish brown hairs, and the culm sheath and the sheath blade is continuous. The prickly hairs are the identifying feature of this bamboo species in culm sheath. The leaves of this species are smooth and velvety. It's very soft to touch in both the surfaces.
The huge bamboo clump seen beside me is Bambusa bambus. The most identifying feature of this species is the presence of thorny side branches, and so it is called as thorny bamboo or illimula in Kerala. This is sympodial or clumping bamboo and is closely packed, so it is very difficult to manage. This species is found throughout India, commonly in central and south India, and the species is widely seen in Kerala. This is the culm sheath of Bambusa bambus. As you can see, the culm sheath is leathery and the culm sheath blade is dome shaped, and there is no auricle or oral setae. In all the times, this species was used by common people for thatching and roofing of their huts, and also the culms were used as ladder, and also the thorny side branches, it was used for making biofences, and moreover the young shoots of this species are edible.
The Bambusa pallida is commonly known as bijili bamboo. It's a clumping type of bamboo, commonly seen in northeastern states and also Sikkim. This species is best grown in high humid and high rainfall areas. The main use of this species is making of baskets and mats, and also the young shoots are edible. The culm sheath is triangular with a prominent auricle and oral setae.
The species seen next to me is Dendrocalamus giganteus. This is a giant bamboo species reaching a height of 30 to 40 meters. Due to its huge size, it is commonly called as Anamula in Kerala. Ana refers to elephant. It has a large culm sheath with long sheath proper and long sheath blade, and it has black or brown hairs throughout its surface. The species is commonly used in construction and furniture industry, and also for making handicrafts. The young shoots of this species are edible. The young shoots reaching a height of 50 cm can be harvested, and it may weigh up to 4 to 5 kg. And on removing the outer sheath, we will get an edible part of 2 to 3 kg, and this can be directly used for making dishes like pickles or curries. And in KFRI, we have developed a technology, and here we are making this young bamboo shoot into concentrated powder form, and also we have developed another product, that is bamboo flakes.
This is Thrissur oliveri. In Malayalam, this bamboo is commonly known as lathimula. It's a clumping and closely packed bamboo species, and its stumps are dull green in color. The main use of this bamboo species is for making fishing rods, furniture, and agroforestry. It is considered as an ornamental variety which is used in landscaping.
The species commonly called by the name mesh bamboo or irangul in Kerala is Pseudoxytenandra ritchii, also called by the synonym Mandroclova ritchii. This species is highly endemic and is having a scattered distribution throughout the states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. This is a clumping bamboo species with loosely spaced culms, and the most identifying feature of this species is the presence of yellow tomentum over the culm surface, and moreover the species is completely solid. This was a species of huge demand in Kerala and Tamil Nadu market, and it was widely used as stakes or supporting props in tomato, banana and beetle cultivation. But due to its unsustainable extraction, this species got depleted from the natural source, that is from forest. The species commonly called as Marihal bamboo or Ui and Obi in Kerala is Dendrocalamus stocksii. The species is endemic to central western Ghats, that is from Ratnagiri in Maharashtra to Kasaragod in Kerala. This is non-thorny, medium-sized bamboo species reaching a height of 10 to 12 meters. This is sympodial or clump-forming and is loosely packed. This is a species of huge demand in market. A single culm of the species fetches around rupees 80 to 100 in the market. Due to its high market value, this is widely preferred by the farmers along the Karnataka and Maharashtra, and even they have established many plantations for the cultivation of this species. This species is used as replacement for cane in furniture industry and also for handicrafts, stakes in agriculture, for making farm implements, and also this is a common or preferred species in agroforestry.
Then you have some bamboos which are very thin board, like Ochlandra species.
The bamboo species of genera Ochlandra. Kerala has a predominant number of Ochlandra species. About 11 species of Ochlandra is seen in Kerala, of which we in KFRI bambusetum have species like Ochlandra ebracteata, Ochlandra travancourica, Ochlandra whitey, etc. Reeds are extensively used for making bamboo mats and other purposes, and they are widely used by Kerala Bamboo Corporation, and they harvest it extensively. Reeds grow well along the river banks, where they grow up to 10 to 15 meters in height. The speciality of Ochlandra is the presence of long internode. The culm sheath is hairy, which can be used for its identification. Fruits are comparatively larger than other bamboo species.
So, what is the difference between bamboo and cane? Because bamboo can be used for making furniture. The canes, which are also important for making different furnitures. So, the bamboo and cane both are different families in angiosperm group. So, bamboo belongs to the family Poaceae, it is the grass family. Then cane, all the canes are spiny climbing palms. So, all the canes require adjacent trees to climb up, and the exposed the cum or the exposed part is known as the cane, which is the main raw material for the furniture industry. So, cane, all the canes are belong to the family Ericaceae, that is the common palm family. So, in canes, the major propagation is through seeds. All the seeds are viable in canes. So, the canes can be, the fruit is edible, then the pulp can be removed and the seed can be sown, and new seedlings can be raised. But in the case of bamboo, some species are totally sterile. So, in which such species we need propagation through cum cuttings or through hormone propagation or tissue culture methods. Then in the case of flowering, you can see panicle type. Then in the case of some species like Dendrocalamus strictus, it is grouped and clustered like. So, these are different types of bamboo inflorescence. So, you can see the sheath representing type of leaves, then young leaves, then the presence of specialized structures in bamboo leaves. So, all these features are used for identification of different species. So, in this specimen, we will get information from the collection locality. For example, this is collected from Car Nicobar Islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is collected, date of collection, that is collected in 2006. Then a collection number will be there. Then its accession number will be there. Then the botanical name of the species. Then its family, habitat, from where it collected, whether it is cultivated or it is in plantation or it is from the natural forest. So, such information will be there. Then distribution of the species, then local names are also important. Then specialized notes like the presence of latex or the presence of different colors. So, all these information will be noted in the herbarium sheet. Then the specimens collected by the information on the field explorers like the different taxonomists that collected the specimens, and its authenticated, who is authentified that specimen also will be represented in the herbarium sheet.
Then you have bamboo which is kind of climbing or straggling nature. For example, this Dinoclova andamonica, and then you have Schistostachys whitei, which is having long internodes. In Malayalam it's known as Valliita, which has a climbing nature. So that is also there. Then we have shrub-like bamboo species, which are like multiplex is common, and then you have the normal type of bamboo, which like bambusa bamboos. Then again, there are certain categories of bamboo which are cultivated. Farmers prefer to cultivate them. Typical example is Dendrochlomus stocksay, which you find from Kasaragod, that is the northern tip of Kerala, to even up to Ratnagiri, across the central western Ghats. Over a distance of 800 kilometers, all along you can find this natural distribution, and this is the most cultivated bamboo species in India. Farmers do cultivate it like a horticulture crop. Then you have another species, Bambusa balcova, that is also cultivated extensively across different parts of India. So these are the kinds of bamboo that you find if you come to the bambusetum. Then coming to the seeds, bamboo, as you know, that it has a long cycle. Getting seeds is really difficult. We have some species that has a short flowering cycle of 3 to 4 years, and then we have bamboo species that has never been recorded for flowering, like balcova. We believe that it is around 90 years the life cycle. Similarly, Dendrochlomus stocksay also, the flowering cycle is pretty extended. Then we have bambusa bamboos and all that, which we know that has been documented well, around 40 years. So like that, but then apart from this flowering cycle, the size of the seeds also vary across the species. And for example, the seeds of bambusa bamboos or Dendrochlomus strictus, it is just like the rice grain, small in size. Whereas sometimes some of the giant bamboo species like Brandisi and Gigantius, the seeds are as tiny as mustard seeds. So, and then you have the largest seed in the bamboo kingdom, that is of Melocanna baxifera, as big as a mango. So 4 or 5 seeds can, if you try to weigh that, it will be 1 kg approximately, 3 to 4 seeds of that. So you can see the difference. Ochlandra species, for example, has also large seeds next to Melocanna baxifera. So those are the kind of variation that you find across the bamboo. Then another distinguishing feature of that is the sheath, which is like the fingerprint of the bamboo. So each cum sheath of the each of the bamboo species is unique. The shape, size, the structure of the leaf blade, the ligules and all that vary across those species. So this is in general about it, and many of you think that bamboos are like a hollow cylinder. Not exactly. There are bamboos which are completely solid, like Dendrochlomus stocksay, for example. Then Ritchie, Pseudoxypteranandra Ritchie, that is also more or less completely solid. And then some of the giant species, they are like cylinder. They have the hollowness is very prominent there. But there are species like balcova where the wall thickness is pretty high and the hollowness is less. So these are the kind of variations that you find naturally in bamboo. One of the main characteristics of bamboo is that because of its long cycling or flowering period, from getting seeds is difficult. So the most common method of propagation in bamboo is through vegetative means. It could be vegetative means, it could be through cum cuttings, rhizome offsets, rhizomatous side branches, and in species like gourd, even apical shoots or nodal segments could also be used. But vegetative propagation is a cumbersome process. You need propagation beds, and unlike if you have seeds, you could sow them just like paddy seeds, and then you can get thousands of that. But vegetative propagation, you can get only a few hundreds. The other common method is through micropropagation, that is tissue culture, either through somatic embryogenesis or axillary shoot proliferation. And commercially, on a large scale, to produce lakhs and lakhs of plantlets, you have to necessarily resort to micropropagation. but each species has its own protocol, and one size doesn't fit all. So that is the limitation of that micro-propagation. Coming to the uses of bamboo, again, as I said, that more than 10,000 uses have been documented, but most people are familiar with farm implements like ladders, baskets and all that, which has been traditionally been used by traditional weaving communities in India for making baskets and other agricultural implements. But nowadays the uses have become more and more sophisticated. We have the futuristic uses of bamboo could be for energy through using bamboo in the gasification process for generation of electricity. That is one use. Then other is through the process of saccharification, the bamboo, the clumps could be, from that ethanol could be produced, and that could be used as a substitute for fuel or as an additive. And then the other important use is that traditionally whole bamboo has been used for furniture making, but now we are using bamboo strip boards, panel boards and all that for interiors, just like the MDF boards, the medium density fiber boards that you find. So like that 6 into 4 feet size panel boards are there, and that is resized using various instruments and then used for interiors and all that, including flooring tiles. So this is a futuristic use of bamboo, and which is picking up tremendously in the construction sector. Another important use of bamboo is the exploitation of the edible shoots. Bamboo shoots are quite popular in the northeast. World over, China is the largest exporter of bamboo shoots. It's a $10 billion industry, and more than 90% of the export market is from China. India, whatever bamboo that is produced, shoots, is locally consumed, mostly in the northeast. In the peninsular India, there are areas where bamboo shoots are exploited, like in Mangalore region, in Karnataka, in the Coorg district of Karnataka, and also tribal communities also exploit the shoots. For example, in Wayanad, there is a history of using bamboo shoot for culinary purpose. Bamboo shoots is the next big thing in the food industry. It is a nutraceutical, it is well recognized as a nutraceutical, and people are actually started cultivating bamboo for exploiting its edible shoot properties. Because of its low fat content, good fiber, selenium, cobalt and some of the essential elements that are present in the bamboo shoots add to the protective function in the human body. So bamboo shoots consumption is increasingly becoming an attractive option, and we need to find ways of processing it and making value-added products out of the shoots. And some of the important species which could be exploited for shoots, including Dendrocalamus asper, Dendrocalamus giganteus, Dendrocalamus brandisi, Bambusa tulda, nutans, all these species, Balcova, could be exploited for the shoots, in addition to the traditionally known information of Bambusa bamboos and Dendrocalamus stiffus.
Kerala Forest Research Institute's bambusetum has promised and will continue to deliver more.